That's up for our can collection. Yukon Club. Pioneers did. It's dirty. Here we have the pioneers of yesteryear, checking out their barn. Oh, we have visitors. What are we gonna do with this big wishbone, honey? Old homestead.
Good shot.
That's what I do out there. I hate that camera. Oh, it's going and that's it. There's that cop that stopped you today. That's one you had to take his picture. I know. He right there.
You guys want something to drink? Coke?
Yeah, we'll go get something. Come on. Come on, we'll go get us a Coke. We're out of Coke at our house. And they walked up there, I didn't have any more. Come on, we'll get us a Coke.
Hey, Lee, look over here.
Lee, you want something?
There you go.
Lee, want a Coke? They thought it was a disgrace the world had come to an end. There was no Coke in the house.
Green, that is not supposed to leave that
That's right, we had some minutes.
Yeah, are you both at the same school then?
Yeah.
Where do you go to school, Greg?
Birmingham South.
So do you see each other much while you're on campus?
Yeah, we just live about 2 doors away from each other. So. I mean, I can just walk down here, walk in the door.
Pick 3 to marry.
Other than that, I mean, really, I think live right now, I live out there.
Yeah, I'm not far from Carrie.
He's always had
been fine. Stuff outside there. Oh, yeah. What is it you study, Greg?
Just all kinds of stuff.
Tell Greg a story that make him believe it. I'm a lie, in other words.
I'll be telling Lee. I'm ready to hear some of the stories.
I don't want to hear one of them making blush.
Don't worry about early retirement. Somehow you live, you know.
I can tell you lots of stories, couldn't I?
I remember when Greg drew a beanstalk up the stairs one time when I was babysitting.
What if Buddy wanted to close the door? Matt and Ben closed the door on Greg's finger and scratched him in the hand with the garage door.
I don't remember that.
Did what?
I think it was,
Millions, it was millions. He got his hand stuck in the door when he left him there.
I remember our bicycle thing and the bicycle tour we went on that time. That was sad. We got all the way back to the house and Greg came pushing his bike back. Both graduate and undergraduate.
No, I think undergraduate. Undergraduate school.
but they have a little bit of grammar cycle.
Yeah, they've got a business class, nursing, graduate school.
Mathematics, history, maybe be the only graduate school.
They
have some.
history grad. They're all the only graduate school they have is business.
Oh, business?
Yeah.
Whatever happened to Peanut?
How far apart are you two?
Just a year and a half. So, I'm just 20, so I'm turning 19. Just turned 19 in October.
You look older. You look older than Jerry, leave me alone.
Get off me, Sean.
What?
I puke, I'm puking on you. Quit now.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you this morning?
I'm fine. How are you?
Fine, thank you. Boy, you really let me sleep, didn't you?
Yeah.
Not getting much out of me that way, you know that.
I'll meet later today. I'll make up. Okay, are you and Buddy ready to eat?
Shouldn't be eating. Yes, yes, please.
Party treats from the Park and Dec. I got help, and the rest is finished.
1-800-421-421. What is this year's perfect gift idea? Ring
Still.
light. Ring light is the only umbrella
Still
design
Shelby.
with a lighted shaft and a powerful beam of light at your fingertips. Ring light is a smart idea. Now you can quickly find your car keys, your house key, light up your path, and friends can make 2799. 30-day money-back guarantee if not totally satisfied. Call now.
Get it. Oh, you dropped it.
Chicago. Three things. You gotta be ready for anything. What's gonna be in your
And what you need to watch for Monday,
Did you get that for Christmas?
Yeah, we bought ourselves one.
All right.
Yeah.
Hi, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Film, Joe.
68.
Merry ho 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 Christmas. That's when
They built it.
What?
built it. I went there after the burning, and about the second year they moved transfer so you can get the.
Hi, Merry Christmas. Merry
That's,
Christmas.
yeah, when I went to elementary school there was nothing but the center portion of
Thank you.
Is that Christmas?
nothing
Yeah.
but wood and all.
I'll zoom in here on Joe. Zoom.
Bigger than life.
It's bigger than it used to be. Did this guy
Got a good one.
tell? Look at his gray and brown hair.
Hey, Evan. Mary Beth.
Mary Beth. Mary Beth.
I love making faces.
Look pretty, Mary Beth. Mercy.
Yeah.
Maybe stop sitting on your feet, please. Maybe that's.
Lay on your tummy
No way.
and get on
Do
your
like
elbows.
Evan is.
Yeah, do like Evan.
Good, look was covering. Look was in the way. Wow.
Little treat. Little treat, Rachel.
Well, buddy, what do you think this national driver's license is going to do here?
Wait, I got a parcel.
They, people that work with me aren't really affected much other than anything.
Yeah.
People come in and really just.
Are you going on? Huh? Watch your fingers.
Good boy, man.
You see, that's his Christmas tree.
But they say that you're only grandfathered for what? For the next, till a certain date, and then even if you were licensed before April 1st, if you don't have your license by April 1st, you've got to go through it just like everybody else. Just say, I heard a statistic the other day in the state of Texas, they're like 120,000 licenses behind.
Oh.
Your red light's not on.
Watch it.
Oh, were you in the movie? There were no people? No stars.
The red light isn't flashing. Why
Because
is it?
So we got you filmed in the bathroom.
My hair wet
and all like that.
Look at you.
Nothing's sacred with the video camera.
I'll give you some.
That's right. Wait till
Pay
it
that
goes in.
tail, isn't it?
Sit
Yeah.
down.
Look a little helpful, probably get this done faster.
That was a
Well,
big hit.
I think the two kids need to do this one. I think Luke's colored out.
I tell ya, my fingers all swollen from holding that crayon.
Just whenever we get up, get ready.
Noon.
No,
No, me.
probably about 9. Yeah.
Beth, who was the first one to wake up Christmas morning?
It was me.
Because then she went and woke Evan up.
I took a shower and everything.
You took a shower?
Yeah.
We didn't hear nothing.
Well, you were sleeping.
We didn't hear anything.
Nothing.
She talks like a Kentucky hillbilly, doesn't she?
I wonder who that would be.
Just see, they
Lived in Kentucky all her life.
were both born in Kentucky.
Yeah,
No.
they were, weren't they?
Mary Beth was born in Tennessee.
Yeah, Fort Campbell straddles Tennessee, Kentucky state line. And Evan was born, they built a new hospital in between the time Evan and Mary Beth was born. And the old hospital was in Kentucky, so Evan was born in Kentucky. The new hospital's in Tennessee, and Mary Beth was born in Tennessee. And then Doug put him, when he was about, what, 4 days old, you went out.
Shoot, it was the day he came home from the hospital.
He put his feet on the ground in
60
Tennessee.
hours old.
You know what Jackie was gonna do? He said he was gonna give Nancy an anesthesia and kidnap her and
Bring
she
it
in
in.
labor. And
That kills me, he's got a Kentucky birth certificate.
Oh.
I think I'm the only one born in Kentucky. Is that right? Leslie was born in Kentucky. I think.
Got it.
They were living in Kingsport. So they're not.
No, they were in Louisville.
I think I'm the only one who was born in Kingsport.
You were born in Kingsport. Yeah.
Get a good shot of it. No, for the last 2 days we went out, we were supposed to get guitar strings. Forgot. You can only get them at music stores, you know, most places don't just sell guitar strings.
Was it get Martin Flatwell?
Martin something. Martin middleweight.
We buy Flatwell?
Still sounds dull, and so does my voice because I have a cold.
I have a cold in my nose.
Just thing like that. Any requests? I don't know the names of any of the songs. Alright, I'll play something I wrote. Maybe I can't live without you. Sometimes I don't know what to say. But now I ain't lying anymore. I'm gonna love you each and every day. You're like a rose and I'm like a spider, trying to spin my web all around you. But your beauty's growing higher and higher. Now as alone, what am I trying to do? I'd cut out all that bull, play some more